morning. Welcome to Angrezi Medium. Let us have a look at today's idioms. The first in the list is to get bent out of shape. To get bent out of shape means to become very angry or upset, to become agitated or anxious. किसी चीज पर upset हो जाना, गुस्सा आना. For example, she got bent out of shape when her friends did not invite her to the party. वो बहुत नाराज हो गई, अपसेट हो गई जब उसके फ्रेंड्स ने उसको पार्टी में इनवाइट नहीं किया. She got bent out of shape. Next idiom is to make matters worse. To make matters worse means to make a situation even more unpleasant or even more difficult. किसी चीज को बद से बदतर बना देना is to make matters worse. For example, to speak up in public against the authority can make the matters worse. Publicly authority के खिलाफ कुछ भी बोलने से सिचुएशन जो है वो और बिगड़ जाती है और ज़्यादा खराब हो जाती है. The matter becomes even more worse. The next idiom is under the weather. To be under the weather means to be sick, to be unwell. When you're not feeling well, this means you are under the weather. जब आप बीमार महसूस करते हो, अच्छा फील नहीं करते हो, उसे हम कहते हैं under the weather. For example, I was feeling under the weather in this hot weather. इतनी गर्मी में मैं अच्छा फील नहीं कर रही थी. I was feeling under the weather. Next is we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. This expression that we'll cross the bridge when we come to it means that we will not worry about a possible future problem, but we'll deal with it if it happens. हम अभी से किसी भी फ्यूचर प्रॉब्लम की चिंता नहीं करेंगे, उसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. जब प्रॉब्लम आएगी देन वी विल मैनेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, maybe next year I will have to leave this job because of economy sink, but I'll cross the bridge when I come to him. जब होगा तब देखा जाएगा, अभी से चिंता नहीं करनी. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Next is wrap your head around something. To wrap your head around means to find a way to understand or accept something. किसी कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज को समझना, उसे एक्सेप्ट करना. For example, I am now able to wrap my hand around in this subject. मुझे ये सब्जेक्ट अब समझ में आने लगा है. I am able to wrap my hand around. These were the idioms for today. Stay tuned, keep watching, be happy. Thank you.